Dear Calva friends, today I want to introduce you to a new extension that we have cooked up. It's called Calva Power Tools, and it gives you access to some powerful Clojure developer tools, some extra powerful Clojure developer tools, and the list of tools that's available in this extension will hopefully grow, maybe with your help, but we already have quite a few. So the way you use Calva Power Tools is that you bring up the command palette. There is a short command for listing all the tools. So you press Ctrl-Shift-Space twice, and then it will search the command palette for the Calva Power Tools command. So you see here we have Snitch, we have Clay, we have some performance tools, and here we have Criterium, the Java-decompiler, the profiler, and also some help for loading dependencies if you're using dependency projects and Clojure 1.12. So that's how you find the commands, and you can of course memorize these shortcuts, which are carefully chosen to be easy to remember, even if not very short. So how do you use this then? So let's say you have this function here. You would evaluate this form, and then you would call it like that, and then maybe you want to inspect something in here, but you can't because you haven't snitched this thing. So what you can do is that you can bring up this list again, and actually there is a shorter way to give you the snitch commands, and that's Control-Space and Control-Shift-Space and Control-Shift-S. So if I do that, Control-Space, Control-Shift-S, then only the snitch commands will be filtered out. And then you would want to instrument this top level form. But of course, if you do that, you don't have maybe snitch dependency loaded. So you can start with that instead. So you load the snitch dependency, and then Calva Power Tools will load the snitch dependency for you. Of course, this needs Clojure 1.12, but anyway, that's what will happen here. And now we have the snitch. So now we can snitch this top level form. And now you will see that it will evaluate def and star here instead, which is the snitch macro. And now we call this function again. And now, when we have done that, we can evaluate forms in here and inspect it, and we can edit it and do all the snitchy stuff you want to do. But yeah, maybe just leave it at that. This is Calva Power Tools, and you can find it where you find extensions, which is here, Calva Power Tools. Calva Power Tools, and you will install it. I have it installed, of course. So yes, I hope you will try this, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel and like this video and comment on this video and all those things that help this channel grow. Thanks for watching.